You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 39,883. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify exponents and square roots. 62 to the power of 2 equals 3844. 92 to the power of 2 equals 8464. 81 to the power of 2 equals 6561. 45 to the power of 2 equals 2025. 9 to the power of 2 equals 81. 7 to the power of 2 equals 49. 87 to the power of 2 equals 7569. 73 to the power of 2 equals 5329. 8 to the power of 2 equals 64. 11 to the power of 2 equals 121. 76 to the power of 2 equals 5776. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 5776 plus 121 equals 5897. 5897 plus 64 equals 5961. 5961 plus 5329 equals 11290. 11290 plus 7569 equals 18859. 18859 plus 49 equals 18908. 18908 plus 81 equals 18989. 18989 plus 2025 equals 21014. 21014 plus 6561 equals 27575. 27575 plus 8464 equals 36039. 36039 plus 3844 equals 39883. And so the final result is 39,883.